I and my team had designed this handmade table lamp. This is my handmade table lamp. It is an electric circuit model that converts electrical energy to light energy and is used in daily life.
The material used for my product are bulb, holder, switch, plug, wire and decorative materials.
Working principle. The connection is very simple. Current flows from the plug to the switch, then to the bulb and back to the plug. Let me show. When the switch is turned on, the circuit completed and the bulb glows. When the switch is turned off, the circuit breaks and the bulb stops glowing. Low cost. Advantage: low cost, eco-friendly, creative designs, learning experience,